So it's finally a nice day. Today, I guess we'll put on some summer tires and we're gonna bring a little something up to Brent because, well, it just make things easier for me, for him, for us, for the team, for the crew. Got some goodies yesterday, not the wheels, the transmissions, and yeah, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. So what we're trying to do here is get out to Brent's place. We're trying to get to Brent's, oh, I got water all over the lens. Okay, well, we're trying to get to Brent's place with Malice because she's gonna be taken care of there for a while. Brent's the big drag race guy in this team. If you didn't know that, now you know. So he's gonna look into that, see what he can do. He's gonna check some stuff out. He's gonna start working on the car, getting a feel for it, because I've got a lot of stuff to do here. The garage is half ripped open on the inside, so first order is to finish doing up my garage. I'm gonna do some renovating in there so I can make a better place to work, be more organized, be more on top of things. So the fact that the drift car is at Kiwi and the drag car is going to Brent's place, all I've got to worry about really is my Acadian, Jessica's Camaro, the RX-7, and the 8.6. So we're pretty good on garage space at that point. Most of those cars stay outside. And so yeah, we're good to go. Just gonna tie up a few things, then we'll hit the road. We're on our way, Brent. Look back there. Looking good. Those Zeus tab things, whatever, those screws, whatever. Everything that's fastening down the front fenders and the hood on that car. I don't like them. I don't trust them. Just got to town and I'm making a little detour. We got the Hemingford now, the home of the Brent. I'm doing a little detour now because I want to go get some coffee. And I'm gonna stop and like lock down this hood again because I'm driving up here and this big honking meat wagon of a semi truck, like legit had dead animals in the back, I'm sure, because it stank to high heavens. It went by and it almost pulled Brent's truck hood out of the back of my truck, and it just about ripped the hood right off the Nova too. All the tabs unpopped except for one side, except for like 2 of them. So now the hood's bouncing around and everything. Even one of the fenders had popped up. And holy macaroni! Thanks, dude, with the truck. Oh boy. Anyways, about to pull over at good old Tim Hortons and we'll have a little look-see. Okay, let's check it. So, take out this trusty quarter. Turned out to be the best thing so far. Freaking Zeus tabs. But if I can get that to sit down there, done. This one. No, she don't want to sit. Oh, that was close. Sort of done. This one. It's windy out here, I'm sorry. Oh, all right, so let's get back on the road then. Go see Brent. Get the boy a coffee. Hi, can I have 2 extra large double doubles, please? That's all. Thank you. Okay, coffee, check. Now, go bring this thing to Brent's. Oh, bastard. Go to Brent's and bring him the car. Figure stuff out, how to figure stuff out and have a good old time. Oops, did it again. So anyway, made it to Brent's, got the car off the trailer. Didn't film anything, you know, just started hanging out. Having a good time, brought him coffee, enjoyed that. So anyways, Malice has arrived at Brent's shop. The wagon's still in there, taking up all kinds of room. But this is definitely going to be a good place for the car to be because Brent's the drag race guy. He puts some serious time and serious pride into these cars. And this is going to be the next one on the list. Going to be a good show now. Now we got some serious stuff to work towards. Between this, the drift car, I think this year things are going to kick real hard. What are those? It's my Crocs. Oh boy. Alright guys, so the car's here. Right there. It's kind of windy out here, so no matter what we say or whatever, you're not going to hear it. And we got some planning to do because we've been presented a pretty cool opportunity I'm going to talk about in some future videos, but there's a car show coming to town. It's getting pretty big, and then we're going to try to be a big part of it. Help out as much as we can with the show, but also we're gonna have something there. We're gonna have a big booth set up, some entertainment, some fun, so you guys can come down and hang out with us. We can show you all the cars, what it's all about. While he cleans the car up, we're gonna just sort stuff out, talk about it, shoot shit, and I'll get back to you guys after. Anything to say for our viewers? I got nothing. He's getting a little crazy with it. Wow. Like a mirror.
It's pretty good.
It's actually like surprisingly good.
Yeah, that's
see the reflection.
Oh, there you go.
The reflection. Look at that. Wow. I did not know.
This Adam's polish and stuff works really, really.
Wow. That's a huge difference. Just like that 2 minutes you spent. Like.
Well, and it's like compound's drying right away in the sun.
Yeah. You mean you're saying you don't know what you're doing? You're just rubbing it and it's liking it, kind of like.
Yeah, exactly. I'm really good at that.
Okay. Cars. Oh, I see streaks in it. So he's probably going to clean the whole thing. Let's see what happens. So now that that's done, the day is done. Heading back home now, back to HQ. So the whole reason behind bringing this car to Brent is because, like I said before in this video multiple times, and you guys know, Brent is the drag race guy, and when he's got something there, he always takes special care of it. You can see the difference in his JM's wagon that's still there. It's just like, when Brent gets into something, it never goes bad. It always has, like, when he's done, it's always way nicer than when it started. Works better, takes care of things. He's really good like that. So the drag car is there in my garage. The only thing left inside is the Acadian, which I could probably put outside. But in the next video, I'm going to show you what the plan is, what I'm doing, and then we're just going to get into it. I've got a helmet to airbrush for a buddy of mine, and then we do the garage, and then we can start working on cars. And I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to, as soon as the garage is ready to work on stuff, we're going to start right away on a certain car. I haven't decided really which one yet, and we're going to see what happens with Kiwi Performance, because last time I went down, they didn't do too much on my car. Now that's fine because they're busy, and I'm getting a really sweet deal on my car, so I'm not going to complain about how long it takes, because basically, like, I don't have to worry about it. It's kind of a sponsorship deal. But I would like to be out really soon in the season. But what I'm thinking of doing here is setting up like a little bit of a challenge and saying, like, let's see if I can get the shop done, and I can get maybe the Acadian done, so I have the RX-7 and the Acadian on the street, and maybe get that done before the 240 is done. Because as soon as the 240 is done, I know I'm gonna, like, start taking it to the track. It's gonna start costing me a lot of money. There's things I want to do to it, and the Acadian's gonna be a badass ride on its own, because I've recently got a new motor for it that's gonna absolutely honk. So I'm thinking about finding a solution for a transmission, maybe changing the plan up a bit, put a 5-speed in it. I had a good talk with Brent about it, and really I should make that Acadian my style. And my style is something that you can run laps with. You can rip a bunch of donuts and bang through the gears. I've always liked manual transmission because I feel like more in control of the car, I should say. And it's more me. So really, like, that's what makes this whole project thing cool, is because everybody's got a different style and a different look at things and a different idea. So we all do I gotta do me. I gotta do my thing. So that's it. We're gonna, next video, like I said, next video is gonna be checking out the shop, what I'm gonna do, what the plan is, and it should work out that it's easier to work in. It's gonna be more organized, more feng shui. And then we get to work on the car, which I'm leaning towards the Acadian. It's probably gonna be that. Because of financial things and issues, we're gonna take our time on that Camaro, and something else might come along to replace that. And we're working on that hopefully that'll happen sooner than later, so we don't have to worry about the Camaro. Because if you guys are following, you know the Camaro is just a parts car. That's how it started its life with us. That's it for now. Things are gonna start getting real good real soon. Thanks for following. Thank you for subscribing. You know the drill. Peace out. Stay happy.